So hello everyone, my name is Anding Shi. I'm a third-year DPhil student in education, and my research interests are academic publishing, research evaluation, and doctoral development. And today I'm going to present my doctoral research about how Chinese sociological PhD students survive in the current publish or perish culture. So let's start from this term. Like the publish or perish is a term like became popular from the 1950s. It is arising from in the context of the increasingly saturated academic positions, as we know, and also the performance-based research evaluation, which often emphasize the research publication metrics. So for many researchers, and especially some early career researchers, the publication is like a Damocles sword hanging over their heads. So it's a quite interesting metaphor. And the literature, there are also many criticism about the audit culture, neoliberalism in the academia that related to the publish or perish culture. So, but what I'm more concerned about is the penetration of the publish or perish culture in Chinese doctoral education, and its impact on the doctoral training, doctoral development, doctoral knowledge, and doctoral life, etc. So in China, the issue of publish or perish culture is quite complex. It has several different meanings. So firstly, it means publish or no degree. In China, the PhD student must publish at least 2 Chinese index journal articles, or 1 if it is in English. And second, it also means publish or no scholarship, or even publish or no PhD offer in some universities. And thirdly, it also means some informal publishing excitation or demands that comes from the supervisors or academic job markets or the daily peer comparison and competition, etc. So it almost comes from everywhere. So overall, this kind of culture actually aligns with the Chinese quantitative focus and one-size-fits-all logic of the research evaluation system. So they're just part of the whole research culture. And the logic is that the number of the articles and the journal levels are 2 key criteria for assessing a researcher's performance. And currently in my research, I prefer to term it like publication productivism or publication metricization rather than publish or perish. So to fully understand the implication of this publishing culture, I choose to examine the issue at a very micro level from the each individual PhD student's publish or perish publishing journeys. And also in my research, I use the method of narrative. It's kind of collecting their stories of publishing and using the story writings as a format of research presentation. And currently I have 14 participants, and I conducted 4 rounds of interviews with them in the past years. And each one has, that would be 56 in total. I also use some visual method and also collect some institutional documents to fully understand their whole writing and publishing journeys. And also, I also mentioned that I am particularly interested in the social science discipline, like sociology, which is the discipline I focus in my research, because I feel like for these disciplines, they traditionally expect doctoral students to produce monograph rather than journal articles. And also they have some problems with valuing the research by merely the publication metrics. So that's the reason why I feel like these fields are have more controversies and have more values for research. I need to mention that although this is a very small scale qualitative research, but considering given the trust I built with my participants in the past 1 year, and also some in-depth and rich data from various kind of data sources I collected, I hope that I can write some meaningful narrative that can critically examine how the publication productivism shape the doctoral knowledge, doctoral life, and also disciplinary culture, and also hope that I can write some powerful stories that can resonate with PhD students worldwide, amplifying their voices and promoting further discussion of building a better doctoral evaluation system, and also fostering a more supportive environment for doctoral development.